Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LCTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First off, I'm not going to quite call this one a pump and dump, but it's looking very, very shaky. What is a pump and dump? Well, a pump and dump is just a situation where a price makes a really nice move, and then all of a sudden within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So on that note, the reason why, to be fair, you can't call this a full-blown pump and dump is because the price does still have the opportunity to make some progress. But that is also why this level here at $1.04 is very, very important. I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to come down to $1.04 and then just continue on down through, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range right here that the price just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is not going to go back to where it was. It's going to make at least some sort of form of progress forward. Whereas if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards, don't get me wrong, that's still a very deep pullback, but at least at that point in time, there would be a set of lows right here, and then when you correspond that to the previous set of lows right there, you'd have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and again, that's a sign of progress right there. So that is why, in good faith, you can't call this a pump and dump yet, because the price does still have the opportunity at making progress. But yeah, if the price goes down below $1.04, then again, like I said, literally that's putting the price right back to where it was. So a whole lot of eyeballs going to be watching $1.04, not necessarily just on Friday, but next week too. And let's see if the price can actually maintain itself and build an overall higher base. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.